All right, so we have questions all the time about the workshop that we teach for the residential appliance installer and the residential wireman. And I'm going to give you a quick outline because this outline or something like this is out there, I think, on our website, but I think a video is going to be super handy. So as of today, here's what we have. Once you sign up and register and pay, I send you some pre-workshop materials. And that is so basically you get as much as possible out of your day on Saturday. So we send you a structured quiz. It's 33 questions. And the reason it's structured is it's not random. It actually takes you through several of the code articles, but does it very linear, which is not like the test, but it gets you familiar in a way that's not as stressful. I send you a copy of the PSI test bulletin, which I recommend you read all the words. But it breaks down the tests, the times, how the test is administered. I give you a link for the Mike Holt Enterprises for your daily code picture and the daily code question. It's just to start building that habit of being in the code book and looking for an answer. And then I have some directed prep, which means I ask you some questions to look for patterns in Articles 422 and 680, because appliances, which is our handyman who need this license, and of course for our pool people. And again, the goal is going to be consistency and confidence. So as far as the actual workshop, let's go over here. Here's your outline for that day. It's 8 to 3. We have the intro. We go over the PSI structure, test breakdown, pass rate. Good to know. And then now what we did versus what we used to do, we have calculations first thing in the morning. Everybody's fresh, and we get it out of the way. It makes more room in the afternoon. We do highlights for the bulk of the morning, which is the rest of it for Articles 90 through 430. We hit a total of 8 different tables. We put it together in a couple of real-life scenarios that you would use all those tables to actually get answers, but it gives you context. We hit a 30-minute lunch. You hit Article 680, and it's not super deep, but we're looking for patterns. And if you're in 680, you'll see that for spacing and locations of GFCIs and equipment and bonding. The bulk of the rest of the day is they're doing short practice tests, both as a group and individually. And then the closeouts, we talk about consistency again. And then I give you guys access to post-workshop materials that you can do practice tests on your own. There you go.